Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a mini detail on this Plasti-dip BMW. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
Tony, quick question. I see you have help today. Where did you find is he your employee or?
He's my old employee.
Old employee?
Yeah, he used to help me last year for like 6 months, and then he started his own detail business. So yeah, that's Edwin.
Edwin, all right.
Yeah.
So how are you guys tackling this? Like, how do you know what he's gonna do and what you're gonna do?
From our past, so I would always have him. We would split the wash 50-50, and then I would have him knock out the inside, and then I'll knock out the outside.
Got it. And for this detail, how long is it gonna take you guys there?
Or
what's the plan?
The plan's 45 minutes to an hour.
You think you would get it done in that time?
Yeah, we got about like 20 minutes left. Should be able to knock it out.
Hey Tony, is that a specific type of chemical, like a ceramic seal or something?
It's our rinseless wash and wax that we can use as we can use it as a light layer of protection, as a spray wax. Right now I'm kind of using it as like a drying aid. So I'll spray it on while the vehicle's wet after rinsing it, and then wipe off with our drying towel, and it leaves a light layer of protection.
So Tony, with how many other people have you worked in the past before?
Just like two.
Two?
Like employees?
Yeah.
Yeah, just two.
Just two? So is this, with Edwin, is this just a one-time thing, or?
It's whenever I get really, really busy that I need some help, I'll ask and see if he's available. And then if he's down, then he'll help me out. But this is like the first time he's helped me since like, I guess he kind of quit to start like his own detailing business. So it's the first time that he's helped me since then.
So he's back with you for today?
Just for today, yeah.
So Tony, how did you find this customer?
I think he got me off of Instagram, or might have gotten me off of like a friend or referral or something. Can't really remember.
Is he a first-time customer?
No, I've done his vehicles before. This is just the first time I've done this vehicle. He just got it. But I've done a couple of his cars already.
Okay, so for this detail, what's the goal? Like perfection, or?
No, just a nice little cleanup. Just a mini detail, so nothing crazy. Just a detailed foam wash, interior detail, and the spray wax, and just get it looking a bit better than what it is.
And is that why you got the help from Edwin today, to get it done as quickly as possible?
No, it's we got a fully booked day today, so we got a long day ahead of us. We got 6 vehicles, so I needed some help. I don't want to stay out way too late.
Okay. What happened with the wheels, Tony?
They're all stained from the brake dust, and then it has like Plasti-dip, so the Plasti-dip's all stained.
How are you gonna tackle that?
He's gonna have to get them redone. They're not gonna be able to get perfect again.
Okay.
So it's that Plasti-dip. He bought it like that, so I'm sure he knows, and he doesn't really like. He's not worried about it too much. But yeah, you'd have to get them redone to get them to look like new again.
So is it just just the wheels that are Plasti-dipped, or the car too? Because it has like a certain finish to
The
it.
car's Plasti-dip too.
Okay.
It's not wrapped that's for sure. So I'm pretty sure it's Plasti-dip.
Okay. And then since it's Plasti-dip, do you have to use like a different kind of chemical, or?
No, not really. We just use a pH neutral soap. That's about it. And then just don't use anything aggressive so it doesn't stain the Plasti-dip.
Oh, okay. Have you washed a Plasti-dip car before?
Yeah, only a couple times. They're not that great, most of them. Me personally, I don't like Plasti-dip, but he bought it like that, so.
So what's the difference, like Plasti-dip and a wrapped car, like it's different material?
Yeah, for the most part. So wrap is like a kind of like I like to think of it as like a decal or like a sticker, and then Plasti-dip you actually spray it on there, and you got to do like a couple coats and stuff.
Oh, okay. Got it.
And Plasti-dip, the way you guys remove it is kind of like the same type of way you remove wrap in a way. It's supposed to be peelable, so that's like one thing.
So one little peel can.
Yeah, you can like peel it off. But since this is old, I feel like if you try to peel it off, it'd peel into like little small pieces. You just rip.
Got it. How are we doing on time?
I think we're starting to get a little behind, but not too worried about it.
Not too worried?
Mm-mm.
All right.
But yeah, hopefully we don't keep getting behind like throughout the day, because then it's just gonna get later and later and later.
All right.
But we'll see what happens.
And is Edwin here the whole day, or?
Huh?
Is Edwin gonna be here the whole day? Or?
Yeah, he's gonna be here till we're done.
Okay, so it's a full day today. You think you overbooked yourself, or?
Nah, I think with Edwin we'll be able to knock him all out.
Is this normal? The amount of cars you're doing today?
With Edwin, yeah, we've done like up to 8.
8 cars.
Mm-hmm.
And how many are you guys doing today?
6.
6? All right. Hey, Tony, so I noticed that a few potential customers talk to you. What do they ask, or?
They just asked me how much I charge.
And they took down your information, or?
Yeah, they got down my number from the van and stuff, and the social media, and then they just said that they'll hit me up at a later time.
Oh, nice. Does that happen often, or?
When I'm in like apartment complexes or busy areas, yeah. Well, there you guys have it. That's how we did our mini detail on this Plasti-dip BMW. If you guys like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below how you guys detail Plasti-dip vehicles. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.